students, today we are going to start with the first chapter of economics, that is the story of village PALAMPUR. The purpose of this story is to introduce some basic concepts relating to production. And this story is about a imaginary village called PALAMPUR. Farming is the main activity carried out in this village, and many other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. are also carried out. These production activities need various types of resources: man-made, natural, human effort, money, etc. So here we will learn how various resources combine to produce the desired goods and services in the village. So children, PALAMPUR is a well connected with neighboring villages and towns. Many kinds of transport facilities are available. This village has about 450 families and belonging to several different castes. Most of the houses have electric connections also. This village has 2 primary schools. There is a primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary where the sick people are treated. So the description given above shows that PALAMPUR has a fairly well developed system of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools, healthcare, etc. The story of PALAMPUR, an imaginary village, will take us through the different types of production activities in the village. In the villages across India, farming is the main production activity, and there are other production activities which are referred to as non-farm activities like shopkeeping, manufacturing, transport, etc. So we will discuss later about these activities. Now, first we are going to talk about organization of production. The aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. There are basically 4 requirements for the production of goods and services. The very first requirement is land and the other natural resources like water, minerals, forests, etc. And the second requirement is labor, that is the people who will do the work. And as you know students, some production activities require highly educated workers. Other activities require workers who can do manual work. Now the third requirement is physical capital, that is the variety of inputs required at every stage of production. Now we require tools, machines, buildings in the production. So these are known as fixed capital. Raw material and money in hand are known as working capital. Now children, the fourth requirement you need is knowledge, enterprise, to be able to put together land, labor and the physical capital to produce an output. This is called human capital. Now we will discuss what is actually the factors of production. So every production organized by combining land, labor, physical capital and human capital is known as factors of production.